izule obvious nami usuqhaqela Movies yayona iumbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama
What's up everybody and welcome to another awesome episode of the Creatives Unplugged podcast. I'm your girl Archild Africa and as usual angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no
brother of the show
Brother
bambiza
of the show.
umhligoristo wonke umuntu uyangazi mawungangazi usuyangazi njengamanje. Welcome, we are back again.
We are back. Poo.
Yeah. Hey, konakele.
Konakele.
Hey, ngithanda i-creative spotlight indlela esi-expose ngayo. Ubone last week ukuthi beshiblika kanjani lapha. Shibli. Hey, what an awesome show. Nice one. Low script at the warehouse.
At the warehouse in Durban on the 3rd.
So there were many artists ebekhona laphayana. Besikhona nathi as Creative Unplugged podcast doing interviews, of course. Go and check it on YouTube. It's available. Ubone ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Thina ke sivele sanithatha from eqaleni saze sayofika ekugcineni.
Yeah.
Kodwa phela sayahamba sekufika uSjava. Ulethu njani uBig Zulu.
uBig Zulu.
uSjava wafika.
Angibonanga bese ngibonanga mina ngaqoqela nje imali nga.
Oh, kamuhle sesicabheni bastard.
Hey, bazongizonda namanje that day.
Usho kanje?
Ngangadedeli mfana.
Phela vele umsebenzi plaza ama-tickets abetholakala online etholakala yonke indawo. Mase usesicabheni keep cash.
Yeah.
Ukuthi siyakwazi noma makuyi event kubalekile ukuthi abantu basupportane uyibone leyo nto.
Yeah.
So nje creative spotlights, thank you very much for the artists who are always doing more eThekwini. Ngibona ngathi i-hip hop isiyakhula kakhulu.
I find it's back and it's really like they're killing it because I saw La Pamphlet. There were so many people there from Monels to OPEC to Musli.
Yeah. Musli.
Yeah. There was
There was Duncan. There was Umalumkhulu Cats.
It was packed.
Ziyaperform idiqwelazi.
Ayi, zayishaya Mike.
Sebenyusa kanje. Behlisa lapha.
Yeah, it was amazing. But mina ke angezwe ngendlebe ke.
Okay.
Yeah, because I wasn't around. Kodwa ngibona ukuthi people were really happy.
Ngangikubona level ushishwi.
It is free.
Nami ngibhizi lapha no sa.
Yeah.
Now to shri.
Yeah.
And then the following day kwabo event yakho lapha.
Yeah, it was my birthday. It was my birthday and pajama party at Murphy's. It was packed. Nakhona abantu bekhuluma ngamagown laphayana.
Hayi ungangithi bethi abantu ngeke bagqoka amagown ngeke fethi yaza. Amagown khona necrew yafika no Duncan begqoka amagown bonke. It was nice. Nice sponsor sakho laphana naso
Jäger Master. Shout out and best to go. Shout out to Movies Media. Shout out to Dropkick Murphys.
Yes.
And shout out to JJB Backline.
Yeah. I guess I shoot him better. Slele namagawn abanye begqoka ama-pajama. Omunye bomama sasihle lembedeni.
Abale studio. Ay manje ke kodwa khona umuntu simphethe ke la today.
I can't wait for us to introduce our guest today. Okay, Archild.
Abanye bathi Lokish, abanye bathi Loki, abanye bathi welcome Loki.
Welcome to the Creative Unplugged podcast.
Danko.
Siyakwamukela mfethu. Kwazi wamnandi ukuhlala nawe. Hey, sithema siba nethoke encane la before siqale ngiyabona ukuthi le ndoda isisebenzile mfethu, isisebenzile. Yeah. Ubusy ngani my brother these days? What are you busy with my man?
Ngipusha i-project yami kuthiwa Mob. It's a new project of mine. Keep I think in 2-3 weeks, man. 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Oh, dope.
Yeah.
Dope.
Yona thing push up. But it's nigga thing push up cause independent. So I do everything myself. So even these izayo ngisebenza manje. So
nice.
Akumi.
Mhlawumbe yipi ingoma esingabavulela ngayo sithi kubazwisa nje ukuthi okay, masikhuluma ngoLoki, masikhuluma ngoLokishi, sikhuluma ngobani? Yipi ingoma esingabadlalelayo?
Amaphanda.
I will relate.
And sonke samaphanda nje bahleli kanjena sisemphandweni. Nje ubona movie yaSmida kune studio kanjena siyaphanda.
Ayenzela wona lo.
Nje ubona le correct. Who's on the beat?
Lunatic.
It sounds familiar. Lunatic.
And then who's with you?
Huh?
And also who's with you on the track?
Saudi and MT.
Angayi uLunatic ngathi ngiyamazi.
uyamazi yena owenza ingoma zakhe ezinkulu
Oh yes, I remember now.
hayi goat
Hey, bra,
Futhi drop.
mayisiqale.
Hey.
Khule ngingena khule namasoki senemvobe ngakana manje there we go hlupheke with love now I'm getting money I can't
Awusisa kancane.
khulushayama khule ngingena khule namasoki senemvobe ngakana manje there we go hlupheke with love now I'm getting money I can never get enough Yabonga shisalamala came up from the gutter only to retire when the time I went up under Boya she's at la mala see I almost caught a case I'm Puma corner niggas really dying when you ways up Boya she's at la mala see I did it with my brothers we didn't see no shano not a double full of hundreds we didn't see no zero shit was bad we had to struggle some shit that wasn't legal but we found a way to hustle now I made it out in Brazil oh, I like to more than just my rap life and I wanna thank mama for my past life. Cooling out really so my best but we ain't act like swag. Still really does, but that was halftime. See, now we get pajamas with the musos and the actors. And mama on the landline, it's shambles in the background. It's getting clear, it's more than rap that got my back. Kono shayama, cooling gigina, cooling amasogi sene hopela gana. Manje there we go, stupid yeah with love. Now I'm getting money, I can never get enough. Kono shayama,
Nice one. What a nice sound. Yo.
Message.
I love the message. That's what I love with hip hop. That's why I'm a hip hop head.
Yeah,
That's why, because manje sidlulisa imessage ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi okay noma ngabe kuthiwa uyakwenza nje ubusho ukuthi mfethu beku0 mnandi le ngoma.
siphante kunjalo
Yeah. So what's the motivation behind the song uzocela yena uMT mhlawumbe nisebenzisana?
Shooting ngoma sayenza nje ngangine session no Lunatic sibabili knocked out a few joints then ibeat yokugcina ayidlala kwakuyile so what mayidlala vele kwaqhamuka abanye abafowethu sasosebenza nabo wathi edlala kwafika le chorus ekhanda like same time wathi edlala ngathi yena wathi uthi ngiyovulela amajidi ngathi umancane khona into emile asiyithi nje fast nje abafike sesibekile ngawo ngitshela ukuthi bathi abafowethu sebenyuke edebhisini sebengena ichorus sesiyethile
nathi ukubapholisa kancane.
It's always the last beat. Yazi usebenze even if mhlawumbe i-projects usuyirecorde yonke and then there was just one extra thing so asazame le beat vele kube yona isingile
because even nakwi-project imob ingoma enosimamani ishesha kwayingoma yokugcina yokungena nane-feature yokugcina eyayingena.
Imagine music has a mind of its own music yazakhela indlela
but ifuna i-patience ngoba phela nayo amaphanta I had to wait for ama-verse. You know, there's a song ezophuma sometime this year. Ngalinda 2 years i-verse.
Yeah, kenze.
You know, i-verse ngangilinda.
That's torture though.
2 years.
Kenzeka it's one of my song engayibhala unyaka wonke and ngabonana ngendlela abantu abayireceive ngayo ukuthi ifanele ngayibhala unyaka wonke.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Ufana nokudla mfethu ukudla ukuthatha isikhathi ukupheka kuyahlala.
Eish bra. So bafo ukhulele kephi nendawo like your background ngiyazi ukuthi like KZN but where in KZN?
So ekhaya isemthwalumi.
Ekhaya.
Ekhaya nje.
Nabanye umkhanga la.
Ilangazalelwa khona. Then ukuza eThekwini umuntu wakhulela eBonela. Yabo so khule nje uMasixha, Mayville, Chesterville. Kuyileyo nto nje abantu engangikhula mhlawumbe sihlala nabo ibhola senza inani nabo so but then kunegoli futhi phakathi sengithe ukukhula sengihambile sengisebenza kuzinalo I feel like linendima enkulu elidlalile
kunezinto
egoli ngihlale mostly eNorth
Oh, not.
yeah so not riding ngako 4 ways ilapho ngangikhona but ukusebenza ngasebenza nangako Dobsonville
Oh, Dobs. Yeah.
so story sami sinawo umlando but molalela nje umculo wami uyazizwa lezi zinto ngoba ngiyakhuluma ngazo izona zinto where I think I draw inspiration from mangizobhala iculo from izinto esezenzalile kuze kube manje nezinto engifuna zenzeke.
So like primary schools or
Primary,
school valuable
so mangisamuntu mesamncane ugogo wayene crash naye le emakhaya lesancane ngine memory yalokho but sathi sifike la eThekwini I preschool kwakuyi Harrington Thorn iseSherwood ngathi Sherwood primary then ngathi George Campbell then after George Campbell ngathi sengithi ngiyoshaya ugesi ngavele ngasebenza same time.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So then a few years of that, well not even a few years, ngisebenze close to 10 years. Cause ngaqala ukusebenza ngina 17
in Spanje
full on
the amazing thing with the George Campbell there's practical skills
there,
like
so
most of the high school vele kade ufunda
because that's why you're working on the railway or you're a mechanic and then now you're dropping tracks
so ngasebenza ku-judge ngaba ngina 17 iqashana mfethu ngisindwe ipanela mfethu 17 but yabo kwakuyona into naye engathi yangikhulisa ngoba impilo ngasheshe ngayibona ngasheshe nga-understand ngasheshe ngakwazi ukuthi ezinye izinto khona umuntu la khona la manisebenza yabo because ku-entertainment wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba it's like but ayisebenza kanjalo ngeke siye phambili kanjalo so I think nami lezo zinto zingifundisile ukuthi ukwazi sometimes just play your role wenze lesipane emele usenze siqhubeke sihambe nje sonke ezi-units.
Music noma ukuba i-creative kungena kanjani during that time already mhlawumbe uthi usipane ukulalela
lutho mina akhula ngifuna ukudlala ibhola le yokucula nje akanginandaba nayo into I think engishaya sengisebenza kunalento kumina ekhanda ethi angithandi ukugxeka umuntu kwinto engakwazi ukuyenza yabo because abantu bayakwazi ukukhuluma lo njani but bekuthiwa mtshetso oyenze lento ufuna ukubona ukuthi ungayenza yini or ubone ukuthi inzima kanjani so ngaqala kanjalo but umusic nganguthanda hip hop bengithanda ama lyrics all over bengwazi wonke bengithanda ukwafunda wa print out from primary angithanda ukubona i-print out ngifunde lento ngiyibone ipattern lezo zinto trust me like ama lyrics asinawo bese deskini lapho mfethu Eminem ini uBeyonce naye ngila nje just nje leyo fascination yokubhala I think ngishaya lapho and then I think I did that maybe for a year and a half yabo because ngizangisipana so I invested a little bit ngathenga izinto lezi ezincane lezi ukuthi masingishayisile masingisendlini ngigangele yebo ngilentozi
lapha studio in the box
ngithola ngaqoyini nje la ngikhona nje ngizamele then kwathi khamba omunye wabangani bami one day yathi miring ifone yakhe ezinye zale ingoma lezi ngangizenzile yena iringtone yakho uthi blind leshanezi ngicaba ufethu and then I think from there it grows from there but I think like a year and a half in ngiyeke futhi because I'm like mina ngiyasebenza indaba lento le ngibambezela ngiphume kudlule unyaka abafowethu bangithinte ngiyakhumula ngisempangeni bangisendele message nje paragraph but mfowethu thina asazi noma mhlawumbe wena ubuyibona lento ebesiyibona but thina besibona ngathi lento ungaqhubeka ngayo because nathi masikubuka uyenze sibona ngathi into esingayenza and ngathi untswempu kuyona mhlawumbe wena ubona then kwabilokho was like I felt like it was my responsibility ukuthi ngiyenze so nabo mhlawumbe khona into abazoyibona kuyona mangiyenza then nga-investa nami imali into it nami ngagcina sengiyithanda ke nje sengiyithanda
so akekho umuntu olwela iphupho njengomculi mfethu le industry sinyana
mela asina choice
Selilwela.
not choice. Like
Yeah.
it's one of the most rewarding and least rewarding things you can do. You know, because I think it reward yomculo ikuwena.
Yeah.
Boy, it has to be from your perspective. Ngeke ukwazi uthola reward off of abantu ukuthi bathini.
Yeah.
Kumele iqale la kuwena. So I think iyona into futhi nami engiyipractice every day because phela insuku ayifani
Up and down.
suku suwedwa mfethu usucabanga ukuthi yebo mfethu yazi ngenzani la umculo
Dlala
kanjani
abantu, dlala
sonke
abantu.
sayibuzela ukuthi yebo ngenzani mfethu lana but lento ukuthi mawuvuka ikulume futhi
Hey, fine. And ngabona ukuthi like one of the biggest breakthroughs was Iskanda. Was there something on Twitter that was happening there?
So UKO finds me off of a link ethunyelwe enye yama outtime but ngaleso sikhathi wayengakubi out yamo umuntu nje oyithanda music kwami yabo so mina social media angizwana I think namanje angizwana
Inzima yona yo.
angazwana naye that time angizwana naye futhi namanje but sengiyayenza nje but shuthi yena wabona something Twitter UKO ebhalile uthi send me ama links what mina ngisemsebenzini angise Rustenburg so indaba yalezo zinto angiyazi the out le vele ithumela ilink ithi obheke la athi mayibheka vele athi ubalo nefesi balo singidlale kwesibili lento le
Ngicabanga
awu ifoni yami vele ivutha umlilo emva WhatsApp wonke umuntu screenshot
uthi yibona
Uyakonakala.
uyadingakala la
ngise home affairs ngiyoshintsha ID abanga nje ifoni ithi ngikulayini ngithi yebo yabo ufukela abantu la anazi
ngiyapopha ke
right now join the villa
cabanga
but then I think naye athi no send me his handle what ekhuluma nale out yami yabo then kudlula isikhathi ke because babethe bazoxhumana nami ku Twitter mina kwangayena umuntu oqala engathi kumculo wangibona so as much as kwakhona lokho nginayo lento ukuthi another ngiyabonga angisengijwayele because no Twizy naye ngangimazi before UKO naye futhi wangibona ku show no Khulichana naye actually wangibona before UKO so ngangisenginaleyo nto ukuthi all right yabo sharp yabo it was just like a pat on my back say I shooting it's right into yenza I kudlula isikhashana esincane like I think 2 weeks maybe I ngene DM uThulu who's his friend manager partner lapha angithumile imessage hey thina ngisebenza no KO what ngiqala ngiyibuza
yeah
asi scam lana athi amenyisa iPhone bongo bashina bathi iPhone so bona khona hayi mangifone ayibona bathi fethu kephi inhlanhla vela ngisebenzele eGoli leso sikhathi bathi asifuna ukuhlangana nawe sibone ukuthi sebenzana kanjani sikusize la sikwazi ukusiza khona basethu usuku ngilove emsebenzini
Qala lapho ke baby
ngangengwazi
fana
I love nje
recover
sihlangane nabo sihlale phansi and then I think nabo basho nje ukuthi ayifethi yazi kade sasibheke nje umuntu onjengawo umuntu okwazi ukwenza lezi zinto esesikubona uzenza and ngalezo sikhathi laphe ngino 700 followers ku Instagram kwezinye izinto nje angaziwa ngisho naseThekwini nje abangazi because mina ngamane ngahamba eThekwini before baze bangibona eThekwini babe just ngowaseGoli
cabanga
no but bangilimaza lapho kancane because manje mase ngibuya abantu balobe bethi ufunani la usho ukuthi ngifunani la esekhaya so wena walana mase ngiqala phansi manje sengakhaliyo relationship yabona
from Joburg
base yami siseGoli because even namanje I think leyo nto inayo indima because mina i-fan base yami iningi iseGoli ayikho eThekwini which is crazy because ngisho ngendlela engibhala ngayo ngisuke ngibhalela umuntu wala eThekwini ukuthi uyazi ngithini so but kwaba into kanjalo ke then sasebenza ke bethi no KO I think what was it like 5 years give or take
Yeah, so bekune project club you were signed for an album that time.
I was signed corner for, it was, I think, 4 years.
Nice.
It was 4 years.
Yeah.
I was signed, and then got to 2020, but 2024 late. 2023.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey phela vele
2026
Yazi
manje.
mina
Hey,
lamajita ngathi izolo.
mawukhuluma ngalezo ikhathi I think it was after COVID.
after
phela
COVID.
mina
Just after
phela
COVID.
mina ukufika kwami ku-industry ngidrop iculo lokuqala i-section it was 2 days before hot lockdown. Mina ngi-COVID baby.
Oh, COVID.
yami come up
Bro,
sasilwa
that's
nalesifo lesi
Yeah.
silwa nanokuthi bukani mina
Yeah.
hayi lento leyithi hlala endlini.
Ish, bruh.
Hlala endlini, but I mean I think nami leyo nto yangikhulisa to some degree, because then I had to operate differently from umuntu who would have gotten that opportunity in a time where it was just freedom.
Yeah.
You know, in ama trials and tribulations akhona, but sikwazile mfethu ukunyakaza, sikwazile ukunyakaza sisebenze njoba namanje sisakhona sakwazi ukunyakaza sisebenze.
Nice. With the Ladlen, bro, with your family, the support, because now it sounds like uvelo athole deal Josie, uvelo usebenza Josie. So with the bakhona abantu abebekusupport eDladlen, like with your music.
Ekhaya ngingathini, it's a yes, but ngifuna us understand nokuthi akulula ukuchazela umzali lento.
Yeah, I know.
Yabo, especially ngoba uyasebenza
Right,
nje.
yeah.
So uyitholile lento ozoyisebenza until uretire usula, yabo. But mina wakuhlezi khona lento ethi kumina hayi mina angidalelwanga lokho. Khona enye into engidalelwe yona le akuyona. So ekhaya ama siblings ami bona they loved it. Yabo, hey. So ilento
sikubona no.
Yabo, and no cousin and all of that. Umzali yena phela will always be a bit cautious, which rightfully so. I feel ku right ukuthi umzali, because umzali ufuna into enhle for wena. Ufuna into yazi ukuthi le ngiyayazi le mina uthi iyasebenza, yabo. But I think over time nami ngokusebenza nje uphusha naye ebona ukuthi uyakwazi uyiphilisa. Uthi hayi ke khuleka ke zikwena anginankinga. But nakhona ukuya kwami emsebenzini kwakusekushone ubaba.
Alright.
So makushona ubaba kushone nomunye umngane wami emsebenzini. I think izona izinto ezamane ezangishaya ngathi yazi impilo imfishane. Yabo, because ubaba bemdala umngane wami bemncane ngathi yazi ukufa ukushaya nomini. Mhlawumbe ngingasebenza nami ngisebenza until ubaba retire, yabo, but kungenzeka ukuthi njenge-Alzheimer bengisebenza nayo ngishone manje. So lo mcabango lo I think iwona wathi kumina mfethu yazini enza manje. Umuntu ufuna ukuyenza lento yenze manje, wayengabaza manje iyeke. So that was just one decision I made with myself ngihlele ebusuku ngathi either uyayenza into leyiyeka wasaba manje shuthi awuyithembi, shuthi awuyidingi. So that's how I leave that. But ekhaya mfethu manje uma ungibiza ngoloki
Nice.
Sekushaya.
Abazali bagcina sebethambile nami nje sengibiza ngu-Archard manje ekhaya. Bagcina sebethambile. But then ukephi Mthwalume?
Phesha umngeni.
Phesha
so qolo so angithi akubona Mthwalume High. So Mthwalume High would be ngaphesha komthwalume ibridge, mina ngingale kwe-bridge. So Mthwalume High ungala mina ngala. Esihlukanisa nje ibridge elikhulu elilodwa nelinye nje elincane, then ekhaya nje phezulu kwaNyusu.
Wena ukephi Nomthwalume?
Mina Msehlonyaneni.
Okay.
So when did you see it was okay, manje? This is exactly where I need to be, because obviously you started off like working and then you got recognition from OKO and stuff. And then when was the moment where we were like, yeah?
I think the moment I meet up nobo OKO.
Yeah.
Because kumina it was like, okay, iyiphi i-cosign ezodlula le for iphupho lakho, because ngisho mina ngiqala ukwenza umculo in Vernac ngawumolda around yena umuntu engangibona ngathi naye kube mina ngifuna ukuba umuntu because ngaqala nami English yabo. Then kwathi umuntu engisebenza naye at the time uKobe wathi why ungangeni ngala yabo bhale ngesizulu.
Yeah.
So then mangithi athi hayi buka le ngoma ehleze ngikhombisa uKay wathi ayibole Shandisi le ayibole kanti nami vele
Unathika no Kobe the producer.
Kobe LI. Nangirekhoda no Kobe mina.
That's my friend.
Strict no Kobe. Why ngixosha manje ayikho prepared. Uthi afike studio ngingiza bila thatha zakho. Godu.
Owashayela ni beat emnandi sasahlala eMlazi and then wasuka ke bese seGlenwood bese senayo.
Away blind Kobe was way ahead of his time.
Big time.
Was way ahead of his time.
Yo.
Why in the studio sa Kobe wasakha Kobe the studio wasakha I think sekufike mina nenye out yami. I think nayo kwakhona leyo belief uthi ababetholo bayenza
very strong on production. I'm introduced so
Uyithandani. I had the cleanest songs at the time. But it was too clean. You know, Musa Shai come up, we are trying to sound njengama peers. No man.
But I believe you're not destined for that, not destined for that. More figure ikhala manje
why
ikhala.
niggas cuts with the mastering and the production?
Awayihlala phethe imshini
Mare
yakhe.
abantu abanjalo.
Ayidumise Melishis, akujethi Melishis. Mele ngiyimise for out.
Fana nayo Kobe.
Sayidumise.
Mufika nabantu abaningi akuxosha.
Yeah, so naqala ke nashaya imini.
Yeah, so actually uKobe's where after all of bengithumela message bethi bafuna ngibuyele ngithi mangibuye eThekwini ngibuza ama outs okay isiphi studio ke esingakusona.
Yeah.
Out here ushuthi ucousin waKobe way outlam athi no man yazi no cousin wami uyishaya Shandisi fethu ublind angidlalela istaff ngithi hayi staff is blind antshena ngathi hayi fethu ngihlanganise naye at first ngangikhokha so angikhokha kwaku 500 beats 500 to record at the time. So doing that couple songs down the line at some point naye sebona ukuthi ayi serious lo muntu athi awungabisakhokha
let's
siyasebenza manje ufike nje nakuthumela ama beats na into esiyenzayo. So that's what we did for quite some time, because ne video yami yokuqala nje engayishoot ngino Kobe ningoma eproducer uKobe mix master uKobe abantu babeshoot angihlanganisele uKobe. So uKobe, when you talk about like where it begins, he plays a very big part in it.
I like his heart. Of the production is a very nice dude, bro.
uKobe yabona uKobe umthanda ngoba umthanda.
Yes.
Otherwise ngeke umthanda.
And
yabona abantu abanendaba futhi istudio kusona istudio sokudlala lesi. Ngoba le studio sisendlini yakho ukutshela mfethu. Yabona la endlini khona nomndeni wami ukuthi ngazodlala. Yabo so nami zonke istudio
ngiyazoba work la uzoba work.
Yeah mfethu. And zonke istudio engiyakuzona nje mina vele ngiyasebenza masisebenzile sesigayenza into enfuna uyenza but asiqaleni la sebenza siqede.
Kwazwakala na kwingoma na kwi-result kuyazwakala.
Yeah ileso skole ke ngiphuma kusona.
And then ngabona na ngomhla ka3 wolontsha lapha eCocacho, right?
Yeah so sashaya i-mob i-launch but kwakune hip hop chamber, so all over sasikhulume nabo ukuthi umuntu enze something khona, you know, like my own thing, because now I'm also trying to do like my own show now. I think sengifike lapho. So kwathi nabo sesikhuluma nabo sasikhuluma nabo bathi awufethu ungayispanisa nale ndawo muthi mhlambe khona into ekhona then all over ka be hip hop chamber oTbag o Sipon Jits o Blue like how nayo vele ikhona mfethu hip hop chamber siyenza njalo first Friday of the month you can just plug and play yabo so I was like cause mina I think we planned it maybe 2 weeks before yabo so I was like okay no it's fine and the ile weekend in July I think it would be a good test just straight out the gates sibone ukuthi singanyakaza kanjani short notice and in a weekend enjeyana yabo so then I can gauge ukuthi okay shuthi mangino 3 months in advance okupusha ishow yami ama results angathi
I was straight for 3 months straight
Oh, this was the same event with Iletujani. That was the same event with Iletujani.
Same day
this is the same
event our father.
Ngangakwazi ukuzwa ngangifuna
Oh, now I remember when I was interviewing amachita ngiyakhumbula
babephuma
sikhuluma
khona
lapha saphuthuma ulokishi
afetha amajita afetha rock afetha umlandi you know it was dope just for me to be on that end of production manje ukuthi ngibone so lokho kanje ama tickets kukanje isicapha kumele sibe kanje isound kumele kube kanje so wonke lawo ama lessons that I felt like ngiyawadinga ukuze mase ngiyenza nami yami ngingena sengine foresight nyane encane ungafika usutshelwa nje kuphela nawe emele ube novu lakho uthi hayi lana abafethu last time senza kanje yakwenzanga kanje so ngathi singenza kanje but all in all it was a great learning experience for me nabantu abafikile abantu abangithanda yabona abantu mase befika fethu into yakho beze kuwena ilapho ulibona khona I think uthando nale nto uthi lento engiyenzayo actually sifike yafika la naba abantu bami because sometimes you can go to a show and you book there and akubona abantu bakhe abantu babanye abantu bazokujabulela phela vele especially if uyayenza futhi into oyenzayo nawe mo blind abantu bazokujabulela but hlukile nje mfethu
mabeze kuwena mfethu
bonke labo bonke labantu abami so it was dope but yokuqala nje mfethu soyenza soyenza kahle khulekani
Nice. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama features lapha. I know ukuthi ngibonile no Black, ngibonile no MT. Obani abanye abantu sosebenze nabo beside KO. Yeah, just nje ukusikhumbuza. Aba I feel.
Siqale ngayo KO.
Yeah.
Uma Casper Questa
lokish ngempela
Questa
kubaleke amalokish wodwa
izinje Kulichana Black Costa Teach ubuhle like baningi sesenginame nje laba just top of mind Saudi MT Blue Papi Lo-Fi Mamani
I'm stacked
there's unreleased songs so I can say like a Tony Touchline it's super stacked and apologies to anyone engamsho Dankeni Uzakwe Ikati ayibaningi Thelameni
ayingenga stakishile yo
that's
so dope
to say wavy like baningi like it gets to that point where I can name just 5 ngoba manje ikhanda vele uthi uyapika amaso uthi kunje ngisebenze uduma kahle yabona manje beza manje but like I've been very blessed in terms of abantu ama peers nabantu bengibuyela kubona bangreceive ngezandla ezimhlophe when I came in I think bekuhloniphana nje nakhona from them to me inhlonipho yethu ibe right because nama feature ngiyayitholela so angitholela mhlawumbe ngangatholela KO or whoever mina ngidMela mina bese umuntu ngikhulume naye mawuthi into yethu ayihlangane it's fine but ngiyancamela ukuthi umuntu akhulume nami because then so understandana nomoya wakho nguzwe ukuthi izosebenza lento esingifuna uyenza or mhlambe ayiyeke yabo but no hayibona bakhona
futhi uma uthola ama-feature abantu abanjengalawo usuvele nawe usebenze epenini
yeah I think
because abantu
yeah.
abavumi kwesinye isikhathi uma bekubona ukuthi lo muntu ngathi
It's testament yeah ispan sakho nawe hlezi ngitshela nezintwana ehlezi ufuna lapha ama-feature ngithi yazi lento ilula mungasebenza
yeah
uyisebenze nje lento at some point yonke enye into iyayizela because usuke usuyiprovile abantu bafuna nje uyiprove nami mawuthi ngizwe ingoma zakho ya zimnandi oyikhiphe ngifuna ukubona uyiphusha kanjani ngifuna ukubona umunyakaza kanjani uyakhipha nje just nje ihobby or into le ofuna ukuyenza ngempela yabo which mina mothi ngiyabona ukuthi ayilento futhi nawe into yakho isinko ufuna ukuyenza ngiyakunika nje iverse so miyasebenza ubona nawe uthi wenzana naleli verse siqhubeke sisebenze yabo but abanye uyabona ukuthi lo uyazenzela
ufuna ukuziphushe
omunye ngoba une access kuwena yabo uthi ne access vele inja yami mina isebenze mina angathi ngakubona nje mfethu
ukuthi uyayithanda
lento but uyayifuna lento passionate because mina ngipassionate ngalento mase ufuna ngibhale lento ufuna ngikubhalele la mele ngihlale ngicabange ngicwaninge bese ngiyabhala bese ngiyorecorda bese ngiba happy nami ngalento engiyenze la bese ngiexpecta wena ukuthi uyiphushe
yeah
ayi bese usibambala abantu abapassionate abanye bathanda ukuba famous babhala ama hits
any fame ngithanda I think that's why in social media angazwana I mean
and with your character I can tell you're so humble bro
yeah ngihlalele emuva
umusic wona ikhulumela
yeah bese mina ngangifuna lokho mina ngifuna wonke umuntu engikhule ngimthanda wakhuluma umculo bangakhuluma
qinisile
yabo umculo uKO oQuesta uZola bonke kwakhuluma umculo wabo udlala umculo uthi hayibo wena lona akwena nje lo ngikhuluma umunye umuntu mase singene la
abantu
kwiBoot
abawuthuka bangafani
umuntu sesiyasebenza lapha mase ngihleli nawe ngisasebenza sengiyimina nje mina nawe
so in wrapping up khona abantu lapha esibakhohlwayo in terms of kubona kunabantu aba behind the scene on the production esingafisa ukuthi uthi nje shout out to someone or ukudlulisa ukubonga kubantu abanjengalabo mhlawumbe management
umuntu oqala I think uJoel you know abantu abaningi ngebamazi but abantu abaningi bazomazi yabo it depends on which side of the field oyisipanayo but uJoel mfethu since since nini sesineminyaka ngisho sengikho uJoel angimazi before yabo wena uJoel umuntu obehlezi nje elwela amajita Joel ulwela amajita kabi mekubona nje into eyodwa ifuna kwena iba serious mo serious
uzokuphusha
uzokusiza yabo so nami I think isandla sakhe especially after isikhanda uyena umuntu obehlezi check hey say are you okay you're right let's go tell this thing yeah let's go there okay no I'm coming I'll pick you up okay what you need okay
nice.
No you should be in Joburg now yabona nje wilowo muntu mfethu Joel and angazi mfethu uthi umuntu engambonga kanjani yabo but sidlule kuyena khona no Dust Beats
Dust Beats okay
Dust mfethu naye
Dust Beats
I think mase ngithi nje post Skanda ngisebenze naye kakhulu yabo umuntu nje behleze willing any day ngafona nje Dust woza lokishi lakithi yabo sebenze as much as naye I also feel like naye phela bekuwukuthi lokishi was but at some points it becomes a thing where umfowethu and sesisetshenziswa ilokho sesisetshenziswa kunye umuntu ukuthi mina ngubani ini sesisebenzele ukuthi mina nawe siyazwana ispan sakho siblind isami isiblind so sekunaleyo inhlonipho phakathi kwami naye and then I think abanye abantu would be I dream team I think museThekwini mina muthi uyangazi hlezi kunabafowethu yabo ngithi dream team nje just ukuthi abantu babazi otherwise mina uTrey noSaso yabo abafowethu nabo I think babangikhombise elinye iside le entertainment because nabo bona manje ukuthi sebe big in the eventing space, you know, how to
Hosting.
curate experiences, you know. So
Yeah.
nami ngilapho ngiyafunda nabathi hayibo lento kanje, okay masishaya le show yakho sodinga wenza lokho, yabo. So nabo nje kunalezo zinto ama-pointers bathi okay, or asenze kanje, mufuna ukwenza lokho enza nje, mufuna ukwenza lokho enza nje. And it plays a very big role because bona bayenza very manje nayi nentoza manje i-Sasos Marquee kuJuly baphinde bawina ilentoza i-Marquee of the
Wow.
July.
I
Second year in a row.
the constitution or
Yeah,
Dope,
like
dope,
second
dope,
year
dope.
in a row. It's
Nice.
crazy. Like
Nice.
it's crazy. Like attention to detail yabo. I've never seen it. Abantu from where you walk in to where you come out, everything is curated, and it's that type of into engifunda kubona standard. Kuthiwa kune standard emele sisebenze ngaso. Ngisho kuthiwa siyaphuma, kuthiwa kune standard emele siphume ngaso. Otherwise asiphumi.
Abang.
You know.
abantu abanjalo abadisciplined hayi.
Yeah, badinga no phela mina ngiyini iphathula. Singana naseklassini elokishini ngizoqhamuka nginakhosi yabo. Wona ohlezi bekutshela it's okay ngisho ngaye classic but standard sakho.
Yeah,
Sokuqhamuka nesokuhamba asifani. Yeah, I think ibona abantu off the top of ikhanda and posts khanda because obvious phela okay ngiyababonga ngize ngife.
Hey, friends.
Bese nje post ilabo bantu engicabanga ukuthi bangisize kakhulu.
Hey, that's dope.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuthola nokuthi because ngibone nama-video i-stuff sakho kutholakala kanjani abantu mabefuna ukubona your work befuna ukuxhumana nawe.
So I think maybe funa ispan ama DSPs then like which is Loki Dots. No Loki Dots, oh Loki baningi yabo. And nginocabanga mhlawumbe mele ngimane ngithi nje Lokish one time but or maybe one day not today. But nje go Instagram, Twitter, it's Loki Tunes, LOKITUNEZ. On my YouTube uLoki or Lokishi uzongithola lapho fethu staff usiningi bancane abantu abasebenza njengami so and kune vlog and I have a vlog going on now, you know,
dope.
so episode 4 zophuma nje manje maduze. So there's like a lot of these things engizamayo just for uthi umuntu aloku ehleli ningibona ngoba social media ngishaya so ngcono ngifake kulento lezi zinto ezilana
Hey, versus badinga mfana yo.
But ama-hack effects izona lezi ama-vlog nje just loku captureisha izinto ozenzayo ezincane lokwenza nje lezo zinto lokuyikhipha ilokho sengikubone because mina indaba uthi sengihleli hey angipho sorry mina ngadlula no 3 days ngapostanga but ilapho mfethu abantu bazongithola lapho ngikhona ngisho futhi mina ngikhuluma business uyalikhuluma lapha ngina cost.
Nice. Wena Archard?
Mina, it's Archard Africa across all social media platforms. Yeah, wena?
Usihle wakandima aka Mhligo wonke umuntu uyangazi mongangazi usuyangazi njengamanje ngoba uyazi na kunini siyiphusha sithi siyayiphusha nzima ngathi khona onyusi handbrake but we will move, we will do whatever it take ngomqondo nemic yoku travel iteke sothi Jozi Cape Town kuze kubhoboka iteke sifuna ukubangenisa sishaya style samahala sithi Lokish sishaya ifolish noma sibafake ekholish ibhuzu silifaka upolish
Hayi
wena asivale ngesityle samahala
la yabo maye ngendlela ngibuye ngayo ngabe funa ngiqhube
Asoxolela ukuperforma vele egcineni.
Bethi iphi ngoma ezosiperformela yona namhlanje mfethu
ngicabanga unishanga eJuly ngoba vele sekuJuly.
Oh nice. uJuly mfethu don't forget to subscribe Creative Unplugged podcast isithanda kakhulu welile
Yeah.
Siyayivala manje
Siyayivala.
phela uyivulile.
Oh, thank you so much, guys, for hanging around with us. My name is Archard Africa. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to have your brands displayed here, please hit us up on our studio line. Everything is going to be written here on the screen. So shout outs and thank you.
Dope. Bye.
uyojula mase kufika amaJune isayo jabulile ngeJuly jiki jiki impilo seyihuba ngeJuba solo lokhu uNkulunkulu benguba akusakhanya bekumnandi abakini bekufuna wena ungeke uhlezi uhamba inyanga edlula uthule bezokuthi useDubai itime selahamba kwabaselu wena uba uyojula mase kufika amaJune isayo jabulile ngeJuly jiki jiki impilo seyihuba ngeJuba solo lokhu uNkulunkulu benguba akusakhanya bekumnandi abakini bekufuna wena ungeke uhlezi uhamba inyanga edlula uthule bezokuthi useDubai itime selahamba kwabaselu wena uba dade wethu uzungakhali nga nami nginamaphutha njengontanga nami ngithi uma singasile ngiphethe ulaka nami ngicela ulwazi uNkulunkulu senguba yena umama bengicela uxolo nakuwe wanginikeza ucule ngakhula nami ngangihambe ngithi ngiyazi manje ngiyazi ukuthi uwe izinto maseyikhanya izinto maseyingena izinto maseyishapha izinto maseyipapa I'm so I stay there manje ngiyazi ukuthi uwe izinto maseyikhanya izinto maseyingena izinto maseyishapha izinto maseyigrand izinto maseyipapa I'm so I stay there uyojula mase kufika amaJune isayo jabulile ngeJuly jiki jiki impilo seyihuba ngeJuba solo lokhu uNkulunkulu benguba akusakhanya bekumnandi abakini bekufuna wena ungeke uhlezi uhamba inyanga edlula uthule bezokuthi useDubai itime selahamba kwabaselu wena uba khule ngemfundiso nokulawula ngabadala yazi nanobabe emathuneni ngaboyasho impilo eqotha ukukhula kwingqulathi abeka bayokuthanda njengabanegazi lakho nala ngiphupha impilo engcono ngivuke ncenga imali ukufika nanesinkwa kumakoko njengesanga uqhele kwabakini tshela mina kwenzekani ayikho indawo engcono for impilo njengekhaya eGibhithe negolide kinila nakhona bayokusiza ungawabuze kusenomini ilanga maseliphuma vele siphinde siyobabili kusasolunye usuku zami ukushintshekayo sami ukuyimisela for impilo ephilekayo themba uNkulunkulu nanomndeni okudefendayo themba uNkulunkulu nanomndeni okudefendayo uyojula mase kufika amaJune isayo jabulile ngeJuly jiki jiki impilo seyihuba ngeJuba solo lokhu uNkulunkulu benguba akusakhanya bekumnandi abakini bekufuna wena ungeke uhlezi uhamba inyanga edlula uthule bezokuthi useDubai itime selahamba kwabaselu wena uba uyojula mase kufika amaJune isayo jabulile ngeJuly jiki jiki impilo seyihuba ngeJuba solo lokhu uNkulunkulu benguba akusakhanya bekumnandi abakini bekufuna wena ungeke uhlezi uhamba inyanga edlula uthule bezokuthi useDubai itime selahamba kwabaselu wena uba It's been a lot of superstars lately. Every day a chance to make a difference, but the balance in the odds change. It's crazy. I ask myself, how else are we gon' sell if we ain't tuning to the crossfade? Dog, I'm sure even Picasso would've cut it. Social media don't reward greatness or patience. But blatant as it is, I gotta take it in my stride though. Many years I kept myself in limb before the squad goes. Lost a couple homies over time, way more than what I like. But to catch a snake, you're gonna need a lawnmower. How am I gonna do it if my brothers ain't true? I wake up thinking, fuck it, I don't wanna make no music. But God give me ideas in the midst of going through it. Every day I wanna quit it, tell me he don't wanna choose it. Look me in the eyes and tell me who am I? Every time I smile, I feel I'm losing time. I dedicated many years and many tears. It's strengthening the fair. When we fail to take a chance, we let our blessings disappear. This pain of mine has set a lot of hearts alight. Even when I felt that I was awkward on the mic. I used to be a wreck, I get so nervous at the sight. Now I step up with a smile, cause I be getting really hyped. This the most I see my mother in years. Yeah, this the most I see my niece prepared. Yeah, this the most I see my family unit. Another reason I could back out of music. I got into it cause I thought about me. I got into it for a life that I need. But every year they needed something that I couldn't do. It hurt me more than why I couldn't succeed. Yeah. Mob.